Hello, my name is Latifa, and welcome to Dish Discovery. I will be your host as we explore the importance of the three sisters in Native American culture and then prepare a low-cost chili using each ingredient. The three sisters, as it applies to food, are corn, beans, and squash. They appear in mythology across Native American tribes, from the Hopi in the southwest to the Iroquois in the northeast. These plants are considered by the Iroquois to be a special gift from the Great Spirit. The well-being of each crop is believed to be protected by one of the three sisters, spirits that are collectively called Di Ohako. This word means our sustainers, or those who support us. The Three Sisters planting system refers to planting corn, pole beans, and squash together in hills. The corn is planted first in a mound, and after the corn is about 4 to 6 inches high, the bean seeds are planted in each hill, and then squash is planted in every 7th hill. When interplanting these crops, they all rely on each other. The corn supports the beans, the squash covers the soil, helping to control weeds, and nitrogen left by the beans helps the corn to grow the next year. The Three Sisters are a great source of nutrition, with complex carbohydrates, fatty acids, and vitamins. And creating dishes that include all ingredients can be a healthy and low-cost option for families. When considering how to best use these ingredients, choose fresh ingredients when they are in season. Opt for frozen vegetables for a longer shelf life and to reduce the risk of spoilage. Also, frozen vegetables are often more cost-effective, and a 2017 study found that frozen vegetables were more likely to have a higher concentration of nutrients since they tend to be processed at peak ripeness. Now that we know a little bit more about the Three Sisters, let's make our chili. In a large pot, combine one 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Next, add in one 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed red kidney beans. Season with garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, oregano, chili powder, and salt and pepper to taste. If you prefer to use fresh onion and garlic, saute and season those first together, and then continue with the recipe. Next, add in 2.5 cups of vegetable broth, and I'm adding in 1/4 cup of picante sauce, but feel free to use your favorite pepper spice. Bring this to a boil, cover the pot, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, add in 1 bag of frozen butternut squash and 1 bag of frozen corn. You could also use fresh diced squash, but you'll have to add that in when you add your beans to ensure a proper cook time. Cover, then simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes. Taste and adjust your seasonings, and then serve and enjoy. This recipe serves about 6 to 8 people with a total cost of around $20. Some other options to consider are combining the Three Sisters with your favorite vegetable broth for a simple soup, or mixing them together for a delicious summer salad. If you want more recipes, the following books can be found or placed on hold at a Gwinnett County Public Library for your reading pleasure. Tawa by Shane M. Chartrand, The Sioux Chef's Indigenous Kitchen by Sean Sherman, and The Misitim Cafe Cookbook by Richard Hetzler. I hope you enjoyed this brief journey into Native American cooking and are tempted to try out the Three Sisters chili for yourself. Thank you for watching.